Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel Naija News and Entertainment. Chris V says that the ladies are intimidated by Rosie. He also advises Kachi. Chris V told Kachi that the ladies in the house are intimidated by his girlfriend Rosie. According to him, this is because Rosie is confident, mature, fluent and of course beautiful. He also added that she's got a great body. He advised Kachi to focus on loving Rosie, that the nominations won't evict them from the house. The best thing for them is to continue loving each other. Wow. This is special message from Chris V to Kachi. I hope Kachi and Rosie's love continue to blossom. I like the pair, I like what they are doing, and I know Presh David will continue to instigate people against them. They just have to be strong, and looking from the nomination polls, from the voting polls, they have a very good standing. From the last result that came out last week after Jeritin was evicted, Roxy had the highest vote, and I'm sure they're going to remain in the house come Sunday eviction show. So guys, this is what I have for you on the Ultimate Love part. If you're a new viewer on this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when a story drop. Stay tuned to my channel for more updates on Ultimate Love.